Today I'm sharing 3 quick recipes. And these recipes and the ingredients, the amount, the method will be below in the comments section. I've got a tzatziki aioli sauce. I've got a tabbouleh. And the tabbouleh is keto friendly, low carb. I've gotten rid of the couscous and that. And then I'm going to do a tahini sauce. And these are all leading up to falafels, which I've been working on for a while now. I've got some garlic and 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. And I do a mash with it. So you're going to take your chef's knife and hit it, peel it, and then you're going to create it into a paste, right? Because we don't want chunks. So there's a really nice paste right there. I've got some mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, and some lemon juice. A little wedge of lemon juice. What I do is I put my lemon juice into a little squirt container like this. It's only going to be like a teaspoon or so. We mix this up. This is a really nice sauce, especially with the falafels that we're going to do. And something else that's really good with all of these Middle Eastern condiments is my chicken shawarma. That's really good. Okay, that's mixed in nicely. And I always put a little bit of heat into it. So I've got a little bit of pinch of cayenne pepper. We'll stir that up. Chopped English cucumber. There, I like that. I'm just going to put this into a little bowl. I'm going to put it in the fridge, and I'm going to let the flavors meld for, you know what, I might even go overnight with this. But you want to do it for at least a couple of hours. There's the tzatziki aioli. Now we're going to do the tabbouleh. And I've got some tomato, half cup of chopped tomatoes, some parsley, got a green onion, and I put a little bit of jalapeno into this too. And that's just kind of diced. So we'll throw that in. A little bit of lemon juice, a couple of teaspoons, got some olive oil, garlic salt, and we mix that up. And this is going to be another one that we'll let meld too. I actually prefer this without the couscous in it. This is going to be so good in a shawarma or the falafel. So I'm going to add this to a bowl. And cover it and put it in the fridge. And there's my low-carb tabbouleh. Next, the tahini sauce. I'm going to do this in a bullet. Any kind of mixer is fine. And I've got some tahini paste. I'm going to put this into the bullet here. And I've got a bit of fresh cracked pepper. A little bit of garlic salt. Lemon juice. And I'm going to add some water, just a bit. We want it to be like a nice creamy sauce. So we're going to take it to the consistency that we like. Just a little more water. There you go. I like that consistency there. This one you can eat right away if you like, but I'll have them all together. There you go. There's a creamy tahini sauce. Low carb tabbouleh. And a tzatziki aioli. This is going to go really well with the low carb falafels. I'm just going to cover these, put them in the fridge, and get on to the next step. Thanks for watching.